Treatment for retinal detachment depends on how early the patient presents to the treating doctor or the retinal surgeon. If the patient presents sufficiently early, where the retinal break is just small or affecting only a small glaucoma or quadrant, we can sometimes treat it with just OPD-based procedures like retinal lasers. If the retinal detachment is little bit more severe, we can treat with surgical management. In surgical management also there are various modes of treatment. One of the most common modes of treatment are scleral buckling. That means it's basically sort of like a silicone band or buckle or base-like structure around the eyes to support the retina. The second one is the vitrectomy procedures, which is an internal based procedure. So in this, the surgeon will be going inside the eye and trying to settle the retina from inside. So in order to settle the retina, the surgeon can employ various modes of tamponade or pressure agents like gas or silicone. And sometimes if the retinal detachment is a bit on the earliest stage, we can just inject gas as an OPD based procedure also. And the outcome of these procedures usually depends on how early the retinal surgery happens and also how fast the recovery happens. It varies from person to person, but the most important thing is presenting early and showing to the doctor at the earliest.